Iran has officially appointed Mujtaba Khamenei, the second son of former Supreme Leader Ali Khamenei, as the new Supreme Leader of the Iran. The decision was announced on 8 March 2026 by the Assembly of Experts, an 88-member clerical body responsible for selecting the country's highest authority. Mujtaba Khamenei, 56, becomes the third Supreme Leader since the establishment of the Islamic Republic in 1979. He succeeds his father, Ali Khamenei, who ruled Iran for more than 3 decades before being killed in US-Israel strikes on 28 February amid escalating regional conflict. Before assuming the top post, Mujtaba Khamenei served as Deputy Chief of Staff for Political and Security Affairs in his father's office and maintained close ties with the powerful Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps (IRGC). Analysts say this relationship played a significant role in consolidating support for his leadership within Iran's political and military establishment. His appointment marks the first father-to-son succession in the Islamic Republic's leadership, raising concerns among critics about the emergence of a dynastic system in a state founded after the Iranian Revolution of 1979, which originally rejected monarchy. Following the announcement, Iran's military leadership pledged allegiance to Mujtaba Khamenei, while international reactions, particularly from the United States and Israel, have been sharply critical amid ongoing regional tensions.